Jeep just unveiled the new 2024 Wrangler. You're looking at the 392 Hemi-equipped Rubicon model, but it is, of course, available in several different flavors, including the 4xe plug-in hybrid variant and a 2-liter turbocharged engine option. Keen-eyed viewers will note that this new Wrangler looks impressively just like a Jeep Wrangler. That's to say, the redesign didn't make any monumental changes, though you wouldn't really expect big changes because it's a Jeep Wrangler, and it should look like a Jeep Wrangler. Cool features of the Rubicon models include a factory-installed 8,000-pound winch option and a Dana 44 solid axle with up to 100-to-1 crawl ratio, allowing for substantial tire upsizing. It can also tow an impressive 5,000 pounds. The new Willys model has more ground clearance, bigger tires, and high fender flares for those dedicated off-road adventurers. And finally, the 4xe models now offer a 4xe power box that features 4 120-volt outlets that allow the hybrid battery pack to run external appliances. And yes, the word hybrid is in there. It seems to be a point of confusion for many folks, but the 4xe is not fully electric. That being said, Jeep says the entire lineup will have some form of electrification by the end of 2025 and expects 50% of Jeep sales will be fully electric by the year 2030. Thanks for putting your peepers on a MotorBiscuit video. Be sure to give us a like and visit us at MotorBiscuit.com for all sorts of automotive ongoings.